Today we're making dumpling lasagna, and it might be one of the easiest comfort food recipes you'll ever make. It has everything you love about dumplings: juicy filling, napa cabbage, garlic, and ginger, layered like lasagna and baked until bubbling and golden. And the best part? No folding dumplings. Let's cook. First, we'll prep the filling. I'm starting with napa cabbage. I'm using my chef's knife and cutting board to finely chop the cabbage. These are the same tools I use in my cooking videos. I'll link them in the description if you want to check them out. Finely chop the cabbage so it mixes smoothly into the dumpling filling. Then, transfer the cabbage to a large bowl. Next, chop green onions, garlic, and ginger for the filling. Fry these aromatics in a hot pan, bok choy, and then add the ground chicken or pork. Soy sauce, sesame oil, salt, and black pepper. Spray pan with oil. Place a layer of dumpling wrappers across the bottom of the dish. Spread a layer of the dumpling filling evenly over the wrappers. Then add another layer of dumpling wrappers. Repeat the layers until everything is used. Finish with dumpling wrappers on top. lemon juice, and additional chicken broth. Cover and bake. Optionally, add mozzarella cheese and bake uncovered until melted. Add soy sauce, sesame oil, chili crisp, and green onions to finish it off. Time to enjoy! Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more easy recipes.